The one simple truth about affiliate marketing: you need to be crazy persistent. For quick, affiliate marketing consists in promoting and selling another person's or company's products or services in return for a commission. The sad truth is, most affiliates don't really make any money. It is very unlikely for you to make enough money to pay the bills through affiliate marketing as a beginner. You need to learn the trade first, see what works and what doesn't. The affiliates that make tens of thousands or even millions per month have gained certain knowledge and training that they don't always want you newbies to know. Maybe, more importantly, it took them time, perseverance, and persistence. Why are some affiliates making so much money while the majority are not? Many of them, scammers I would call them, because they're not being honest with you, make money selling the dream of affiliate marketing without you ever making a penny. What they don't tell is that they have had to be more persistent than the average make money online enthusiast to generate such income. More, they are not always honest or truthful about how much money they're making. They tend to exaggerate the money they're making through affiliate marketing. You want to make serious money in affiliate marketing? Treat it like a real business. The sad truth is, being a successful affiliate is more than just setting up a blog and linking to products or anything like that. Being a successful affiliate marketer requires the skills, techniques, strategies, and persistent work needed to build any other online business. You have to get qualified traffic for your offer. You have to persuade that traffic or visitors in a way that increases conversions. You also have to build an email list and a relationship with that list through newsletters, for example. It means you need to get an email service provider, set up autoresponders or email newsletters, and more. Know that you need to give value first before you can really get people to buy from you. You will have to manage websites and direct traffic to them through paid advertising and or really effective search engine optimization. As you can see, a successful affiliate marketing business requires a lot of what you would need to set up any other internet business, with the exception of processing orders and fulfilling products and or services. When you set all these things up and manage them over a certain period of time, then you will be successful in affiliate marketing. Knowing that if you did the same thing for your own business, you'd keep all the profits. You should consider creating and selling your own products and services. There would be a little more work and a little more risk, but the potential reward is much greater when you sell your own product. Thanks for watching.